Okay, I know it's been 10 months, but I finally got them. I'm ready to unbox them and put them where they belong. That's where they're gonna go. I hope I have room enough to organize them. Yep, let's get to it. Alright, we're gonna start off with Donnie first. I'm gonna use a bus cutter this time. There you go. Fresh out the box. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's check out the housing first. The base, whatever y'all want to call it. Okay, so this part goes there. See those little 2 inches? There you go. Now let's get Donnie out. More tape. Here goes Donnie, y'all. Again, painting in detail on this, guys. You gotta see it firsthand. Alright. Man, knock on it. Jesus Christ. There we go. There we go. That was easy. Let's do the stick. Remember, guys, got these little things on here. These right here. You can see it goes right in there. Same thing with this one. Very careful because these little things are very sensitive. There. Oh man. I think about this one. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this one out. There we go. All the way out. Let's bring this one back in this way. Y'all hear it snap in here. Come on. Right there. Ooh. There it is. Let's put it on his base. Okay. Don is in. Do Raph now. Okay. Raph is next. A different base. This one just looks just simple. Yep. Get Raph out. There we go. That was easy. Here goes Raph, y'all. He already had his sight on. Nice. Okay. There we go. Well, this one don't have one, so I guess just put it on the way it is. Let's see. Oh, it's in between his fingers. Right? That's what it looks like. No, I gotta see. Okay, so it's the wrong way. This way. Come on. That's how it's supposed to look. Put on the base. Okay, so this one's really, really easy. There you go. Put them together. Alright, here goes Leo. Here goes Mikey. Really easy to put. I wish they had a little tube that goes in here to keep them connected. Here goes Donnie, but I know they got these here. It goes into the little hose. Let's see. Oh, I see. This one connects all the way around. So I gotta put wrap first. Okay. Just like that. And then Donnie keeps them connected together with these 4 little tubes. Oh man. Come on. There we go. There you have it. There you go, guys. Finally got them. All 4. I know I gotta put them on right. I'm gonna go back to the collection. There they go. Go get them, guys. One thing I forgot to mention, guys. If you collect the boxes, don't throw them away. I messed up by throwing them away. My kid was like, why'd you throw it away? Missing up on Leo and Mikey. I should have looked. There they go. Finally. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.